So today's episode is all about talking about the golden hour. What makes it so special? Kind of looks like the golden hour out there. I wonder if the golden hour is any good to photograph or film in. I don't know. Oh, hey, we're not live. Old school. All right, let's go ahead and do this as I'm just fumbling on this. So it's going to be an early part of the WW weird for the RAW365, RAW 365. Oh, wait, do we do a proper introduction? Let's do a proper introduction. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird, obviously. So today's episode is all about talking about the golden hour. What makes it so special? There's two answers that I want to share with you. The first answer is going to be the textbook answer, which is, oh, the light is so buttery and it's golden and it's for like an hour and it's just so pretty and soft and all the rich colors, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And then there's the real answer, which is, I think it's overrated. I do. The reason why I think it's overrated is because far too many photographers and filmmakers use it and they lean on it way too much instead of embracing all of the light that's out there. Yes, the golden hour is pretty and it's soft and you get those warm tones and it just, the illumination, not to be confused with the Illuminati, but the illumination, it's pretty. Yeah, I'll definitely go with that. But there are times where I personally love to film or photograph. Give me some shade and a bright sunny day and I got like a wall that I can bounce the light off of or whatever. There's a million other ways that I can film and photograph outside other than the golden hour. Yes, it is very pretty and things like that, but my bottom line answer is I think it's over sensationalized. I think it is way too exploited. And I would love to see far more photographers and filmmakers embrace the rest of the light, the entire spectrum that's out there, other than just pigeonholing yourself into, well, this is the only time that I can shoot because I'm a natural light photographer that only photographs during golden hour with air quotes. You can do better than that. You got to push yourself to be better than that because you're not always going to be able to photograph or film during that hour. In fact, I'm going to go out on a limb, and I've shared this with many people. I was interviewed by Becker in Southern California, and I threw it out there, and I've shared it on many other interviews with like Pictage, getting old school, allergy season. But the reality is perfect light with aesthetically pretty people and gorgeous clothes. Any monkey can take pictures. But can you get some really rowdy light, regular people like me, just a regular person, and just a fair outfit like a t-shirt and a sport coat and my cross necklace? Can you go out and crush it? That's where your true talent should be able to shine through, that you could be thrown into any environment with any client and crush it. So think about that. What do you want to share about my opinion about the golden hour? Do you love to photograph or film in the golden hour? I'd love to get to know what you guys do. Or are you just going to go and be like, David's right. Yeah, he's just totally 100%. Golden hour sucks and it's overrated. I mean, I'm not saying it sucks. Don't get me wrong. Some say. But I think it is overrated. I think it is overexploited, overused, and while a crutch is a good thing, I think people lean on the golden hour too much because they don't want to take a chance on the rest of the spectrum for the light that's out there. I think that, just don't do that. But share downstairs in the kilt zone. I would love to know what you think. Let's wrap it up. I went way past 3 minutes. My badness, but hey, you know what? Post-Easter, I got a lot to talk about. Let's wrap it up. It's so pretty outside. Must be the golden hour. Okay. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird. And today's episode was all about talking about the magical light of the golden hour and what my thoughts are about it. Love to know what you guys think about it. If you are a subscriber on YouTube and all the other platforms that I'm sharing this particular video series on, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you're not, just talk to the hand. You should be subscribing. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Hit the bell, notifications, ding dong, like, comment, share. Sharing is caring. And I don't have any ravens, so I'm not gonna send a raven. And I need to get a haircut. This just looks ridiculous. Looks very basic and generic. And I'm gonna go record some more videos for you. Look, I look psycho. Psycho. All right, that's it. I'm wrapping it up. And stay tuned. I have a special shout out coming to you from for another video. So stay tuned. Okay. And until next time, remember to do something properly. Yeah, buddy. Not drink a bunch of alcohol. Stay caffeinated. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.